DIY ginger tea and the powerful effect it has for your body. Ginger is one of the healthiest foods on the planet. Many people in the world use this healthy root in the kitchen cause of its distinctive aroma and flavor. This super healthy root is loaded with many healthy nutrients such as vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E and B complex. It also contains high amounts of magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, iron, zinc, calcium and beta-carotene. This common kitchen ingredient can provide many health benefits because it has many health properties such as anti-inflammatory, antispasmodic, antifungal, antibacterial, antiviral and anti-nausea. These health properties are very useful and extremely beneficial in preventing many different health problems. You can incorporate this super healthy root in your healthy diet in many different ways. But we highly recommend making this delicious and healthy ginger tea. It's very simple and easy to make. All you have to do is follow the simple instructions. Ginger tea recipe. Ingredients: 4 to 6 thin slices of raw ginger, 1/2 to 2 cups of filtered water, a little lemon juice, 1 to 2 tablespoons of raw honey. Directions. First you need to peel the ginger root and wash it thoroughly. Then you need to slice the ginger root into thin slices. Add 1 1/2 cups of filtered water into a bowl and bring it to boil. When the water starts to boil you need to add the ginger slices. Reduce the heat and leave it for 10 minutes to simmer. After 10 minutes you need to strain the water to remove the ginger slices. You can squeeze some lemon juice in your tea if you like. And add 2 tablespoons of honey. Stir well and enjoy your ginger tea. Note: you can also consume it cold. Just refrigerate it for 30 minutes and add ice cubes in it before drinking. Or you can add some fresh peppermint leaves, 1 small cinnamon stick or a few cardamom pods with the ginger. It will make it more refreshing. You should drink 3 cups of this ginger tea every day. You should be careful and don't drink too much because excess drinking can cause many side effects. The medical experts claim that adult people can consume up to 4 grams of raw ginger root every day. If you want to find out the exact dose for your kids you need to consult your doctor. Top 10 health benefits of ginger tea. 1. Improves blood circulation. This super healthy tea can improve the blood circulation and boost our health. The most active ingredient in ginger is gingerol. The ginger root is also loaded with the compound zingerone. These 2 compounds have warming effect on the human body resulting in good circulation. This means that healthy nutrients, minerals and oxygen can reach different parts of the body. We can also say that good circulation promotes cell growth and functions of organs such as the brain, heart, liver, kidneys and the limbs. This super healthy tea is loaded with amino acids which play a key role in improving circulation that may help decrease the chance of cardiovascular. 2. Provides pain relief. As we said, the ginger is loaded with gingerol. This compound has powerful anti-inflammatory properties. And we can also say that this compound blocks the COX-2, the chemical in the body that causes pain. Ginger tea is also extremely beneficial for treating sore muscles and joint pain cause of its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. People who suffer from gout pain, rheumatoid arthritis and osteoarthritis should definitely drink ginger tea every day because it effectively helps to treat their pain. And we can also say that it can reduce post-exercise inflammation and pain. This super healthy tea also helps to soothe migraines and tension headaches. This is because it blocks prostaglandins from causing pain and inflammation in the brain's blood vessels that cause headaches. Well, this is a good reason why you should drink ginger tea every day. 3. Eases menstrual discomforts. You should drink 1 to 2 cups of ginger tea every day because it can effectively ease and soothe menstrual cramps and other related discomforts. The medical experts also say that ginger tea is very good remedy for premenstrual syndrome (PMS). A recent study published in the journal ISRN Obstetrics and Gynecology has found that ginger can be effective in reducing the severity of PMS symptoms. They've also found that ginger can help fight fatigue related with PMS. As we mentioned before, the warm nature of ginger tea is very useful in relieving pain and muscle relaxing. This is why women who are dealing with irregular periods and those who experience heavy menstrual cramps may find relief with this super healthy tea. 4. Relieves nausea and stomach disorders. Are you suffering from nausea and vomiting? If yes, then you should definitely try this natural solution. Just drink few cups of ginger tea every day and your problem will be gone. The active compounds in this super healthy ginger tea, volatile oils and phenol compounds, can influence the nervous system, your stomach and the intestines. Well, this is very useful if you suffer from nausea, vomiting and other stomach disorders such as indigestion, gas, stomach pain, bloating problems and diarrhea. The ginger compounds are also very useful in fighting off the virus or bacteria that are responsible for stomach problems or upset the stomach. This super healthy tea is also very useful in relieving pain and effective in pregnancy-related nausea. The medical experts use this tea for treating nausea and vomiting in patients who are under the conventional chemotherapy treatment. And you should also know that drinking a cup of ginger tea before traveling can help prevent nausea and vomiting caused by motion sickness. 5. Strengthens immunity. Ginger is loaded with many healthy nutrients and antioxidants. Well, because of the antioxidant value, the ginger can strengthen and boost your immune system. This means that your immune system will be strengthened and boosted, and it can fight all types of infections and diseases. This actually means that you'll get sick less often and recover more quickly when you do. This super healthy tea is also very useful in breaking down the toxins in your body, which makes the detox process much easier. Your body will get rid of the toxins very easily. As we mentioned before, ginger has many health properties such as antimicrobial, antiseptic, antibiotic, and anti-inflammatory. This means that ginger tea can help you prevent many common health problems and infections. And it contains magnesium, chromium, and zinc, natural immune boosters. 6. Fights respiratory infections. You should definitely drink ginger tea every day. It will help you fight respiratory infections. It's because ginger has anti-inflammatory, antiviral, antifungal, and immune-boosting properties. All you need to do is make some ginger tea and drink it every day. Just few cups of warm ginger tea can help relieve congestion associated with the common cold, influenza, or environmental allergies. Or just drink ginger tea before you catch a cold. It can help you stop a cold in its tracks. Yes, it's pretty amazing. Ginger tea can also help you reduce airway inflammation and inhibit airway contraction if you suffer from asthma. As we mentioned before, ginger is loaded with polyphenols. These compounds can help inhibit the secretion of mucus. Ginger tea is also very effective in soothing sore throats and relieving headaches, 2 common symptoms of respiratory problems. 7. Reduces cholesterol levels. This delicious and super healthy tea can also help you reduce the high cholesterol levels. The ginger tea helps to increase the secretion of bile acids, and because of its antioxidant properties, this super healthy tea also prevents low-density lipoprotein LDL oxidation. This ginger tea can also help you improve and boost your metabolism, fight obesity, and reduce your high blood pressure. Note: you should know that ginger may interact with blood-thinning drugs. So be extra careful and don't drink too much. We highly recommend that you should consult your doctor before you include this healthy tea in your diet. Side effects and precautions. Yes, there are many health benefits from this super healthy tea. But you should be careful because there are some side effects as well. Here's what you need to know about ginger tea. You shouldn't consume too much ginger in any form, because it can cause nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. Too much ginger can also lead to acidity, low blood sugar, and it may prevent good night's sleep. People who suffer from a blood disorder, gallstones, and some heart problems shouldn't consume ginger. If you are taking some sort of medications, you need to consult your doctor before you start using ginger in your diet. Don't give ginger in any form to kids under the age of 2. As you can see, this super healthy tea can provide many health benefits. You should start drinking it every day, but you should be careful and don't drink too much. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share with your friends and family.